Hi, I'm Andy Jezik. I'm the lead partner here at Jezik, Crum & Moes. The lead focus of our law firm is criminal defense. And what I'd like to talk to you about today is the value of your criminal defense attorney preparing fully for the presentation that he or she is going to give to the jury. I've talked in other videos about the value of intense, comprehensive, immediate pretrial investigation. But what I'd like to talk to you about now is the importance of preparing in the weeks before for the presentation that is essentially like putting on a play, putting on a huge production before the jury. One of the most important things your criminal defense attorney needs to do is to set up a focus group in the case in the weeks before your trial. And then what we do here is we give opening statements, we give a group of 10 to 15 people who have nothing to do with the case and nothing to do with the law firm, the evidence, and we talk about it for 2 to 3 hours, and the attorneys get just invaluable advice about the strengths and the weaknesses of the case, but also, very importantly, how to phrase things and how to present things, in what order to present things, what not to present. And this is the type of thing that is invaluable because in most jury trials, there are no dress rehearsals. It's the last trial you're going to get in your case. If you're lucky, you might have a case reversed on appeal, but if you're properly preparing for your jury trial, hopefully you'll get an acquittal, hopefully you'll get a hung jury, hopefully it'll be acquittal on almost all counts, if not all counts. And the best way to do that is to have the dress rehearsals with your attorney before you step into that courtroom. That's one aspect. Another aspect, and there's so many aspects, I just want to mention one more, and that is for an attorney to thoroughly prepare the main witnesses in the case. And that means if you're going to testify in a criminal trial, and I think a defendant should presumptively attempt to testify in a criminal trial. A lot of attorneys think the opposite, but my view is a criminal defendant should assume they're going to testify at their criminal trial unless it's absolutely a no-brainer that the defendant should not. And a defense attorney needs to prepare, rehearse the criminal defendant for every possible avenue of cross-examination, anything that could happen while the defendant is testifying in front of that jury, because if a defendant is a little bit credible, that could be every bit of reasonable doubt that you need to get an acquittal, to get a not guilty, to get an innocence finding from the jury. These are just a few things we do here at Jezik, Crum & Moes. You should ask your criminal defense attorney if your criminal defense attorney will do these things with you and your case. Please come and see us. I look forward to meeting you. We have a free consultation. We work late. We're often open on the weekends. I'm going to give you my cell. I'm going to answer every question you have to make sure that you believe when you go home at night that your criminal defense attorney is fighting as hard as possibly can be fought to get you your not guilty and get you the best result in your criminal case. I look forward to meeting you. Please come and see us. Thank you.